Now, good morning to all of you. Today we will start the same chapter. The few points are there to be discussed with you all. It is related with our chapter 1, the Union Parliament. In this chapter, already we have discussed many things. A few things are there that to be discussed with you all. Means yesterday we have discussed power and functions of the Parliament. I hope you all are able to listen me. Am I audible? Okay. In this part, we started powers and function of the Parliament, legislative, financial, and control over executive. Here it is given some judicial power, impeachment of president, removal, punishment, electoral function. So electoral function once more we will discuss in the next chapter in detail related with the electoral college of the president and the vice president. About the speaker already we have discussed in this chapter. Okay. Now it is given amendment of constitution. So sometime we required some changes in our constitution. Like last year and year before last, we had a lot of changes in our constitution. Like if we can see that state-wise, now the some state that was converted into the union territory while splitting there. That's why at present we are having 28 state and the 8 union territory. So that is through the amendment. Another important amendment that is given about the membership of the Lok Sabha. There are the nominated members from the side of the president. 2 members are nominated for the Lok Sabha that is related with the Anglo-Indian community. But last year, 2020, only this system has been changed. The reason, number of percentage increase in that communities, and when Pandit Nehru ji, when that our constitution was framed, it was told that this system will work for the 70 years or the upcoming year. Later on, that will be the will of the government. They can remove the pattern, that is the nomination of 2 Anglo-Indian members in the Lok Sabha on the basis of community. Now it is said by election they can come. But again, the same place, the constitution also suggested, if we required, we can once again revive the system. We can once again, the 2 members can be nominated by the president if again amendment is there. So I hope your concept is clear about the membership of the Lok Sabha. That part we have left 552 members from the state and the union territory, but third one, it is given 2 members can be nominated by the president. In your book, it is given now the members are not nominated by the president. The reason, when this constitution was framed, that time a column for amendment was given that government has done in the 2020. So in such situation, also there is the mention that reservation pattern can be changed by the present government. So if they want, they can continue or they can change. So that also in the same way people have done at present also. So this is the amendment. Territory or many other name can be changed by the government by the amendment. Single or with the special or some special circumstances are there for amendment. Control over executive. Who are the executive in the house? Who is running the government? Prime Minister and Council of Minister. How they will control? For them also, they should not act in the parliament form of government. They should not act as a dictator. This is not a parliamentary form of government. Government is always answerable to the legislature. So here it is given interpellation. The question are, during the question hour, government will be asked with the several type of the question. That related with the answers of government that will be replied to the entire nation. So this is the responsibility of our present, we can say, the people, whatever member they are in the parliament as opposition member, they should speak the strong question to the government where the entire nation should get their answers. Vote of no confidence, that when the opposition members, they feel that government lost their confidence in the house. No confidence motion that is taking place in the Lok Sabha. It is a power of Lok Sabha. So in that condition, the Prime Minister and his minister should be also checked by the opposition member. Because if no confidence motion will pass against any of the minister, entire ministry has to resign. This is very important. Adjournment motion, that all the business will kept aside, and along with that, means some important time period, the houses can be adjourned by the speaker or the vice chair if the quorum is less. 110 number is not there in that condition. After giving homage to someone, or sometime if for the recess or another time period, the houses can adjourn in some important situation. Even the most important situation will come, all the business will be kept aside and this will be informed. Then other motion of censor, it is given government bill, private bill. Yesterday we have discussed with the private bill. So these are also there. And then monetary control is given here. Other power, boundaries of the state, new state, then composition of jurisdiction and powers of the Supreme Court. At present, Supreme Court number has been increased because of the parliamentary law. So this you will read in the chapter of the. So now it is given here, Parliament will decide for one court or two court for the two different states. Now, exclusive power of the Rajya Sabha. In your question paper, very often you are getting this question. Write down is what are the special. Exclusive, it is written here, there you write special. The word you use is special. See, you have to check the synonym word also, because in the question paper, same question they are writing with the name of other synonym words. Okay. So very often we are getting this question, powers of Rajya Sabha, powers of Lok Sabha. Even we have discussed also in the chapter. It is given here about the Rajya Sabha. So sometimes question is there, in which special way Rajya Sabha is powerful, or what are the way Rajya Sabha power is greater than Lok Sabha? Or sometimes another question, how we can say Lok Sabha is more power than to Rajya Sabha? Or what are the special power of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha? Anyhow, they can ask the question. So number one, exclusive powers of the Rajya Sabha. So here you can see that is the in the normal time. Suppose at present also, if Article 249, fourth line it is given here, Rajya Sabha may by a resolution adopted by 2/3 majority, they can make the law related with the state list. So here the first power it is shown here, Rajya Sabha is having the power to make law over the state list. In a simple word, in one line statement, you will write like this. Okay. Then second, it is given in the second line, it may declare that the creation of new All India services by made in the national interest. This is the another power. New All India services can be created by them. Then third, Lok Sabha can be dissolved before or after the declaration of national emergency. But Rajya Sabha becomes the sole de facto and de jure parliament. Means the Rajya Sabha cannot dissolve. In the simple word, the Rajya Sabha cannot dissolve even during the national emergency. Why? Rajya Sabha is a permanent house. Sometimes questions are like this. Why Rajya Sabha is called a permanent house? So what will be your answer? It cannot dissolve. Because it cannot dissolve. And even always it is full with the members. It's 1/3 member will retire. After the 6 year they will complete, then only they will retire. All members will not vacate the seat of the Rajya Sabha. For Lok Sabha, there will be dissolved even for the fresh election. Last year you have seen Modi government from 14 to 19. They were having the good number, but 5-year term they have completed. So that is declaration came. Now it will dissolve. Next year we will have the assembly election. So Yogi ji will complete his 5 year with good number. But before election, legislative assembly will be dissolved. Okay. Now the next heading, exclusive powers of the Lok Sabha. Here in this power, it is given 3 power already we have discussed. Number 1, the strength. Lok Sabha, we are having the greater number 552. Rajya Sabha is 200. This number difference you can understand. This is a 552 to 50. You can understand more than double. Suppose in the matter of the joint sitting, if member of Lok Sabha, if they will having the yes, suppose 250 members are having the bill. In that condition, the will of the Lok Sabha will prevail. See children, one thing you can listen and hear about the strength in your book. It is given point number 3. Check it here. Many students, they are writing this answer in this way. In case of deadlock between the 2 houses over non-financial bill, the will of the Lok Sabha normally prevails. They are completing their answer here. This is not a complete answer. If you are writing this statement, you have to write full. As its strength is more than double that of the Rajya Sabha. In a simple word, you can write the Lok Sabha strength is more than Rajya Sabha. Okay, in simple word you can write. So any time if there is the conflict over the non-money bill, normally the will of the Lok Sabha will prevail because numerical strength is there. So any government, they will try to have good number in Lok Sabha, same time in the Rajya Sabha. Why Modi ji was successful last time for bringing the new amendment? Because members number good in the Lok Sabha also and in the Rajya Sabha also. So the reason. Now it is given the second point that is given here, that will be same money bill. Yesterday we discussed over the money bill. So money bill is the power of the Lok Sabha, not Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha can keep the bill only for 14 days. Even after the 14 days, if Rajya Sabha will not return back the bill, money bill, then also it is believed that bill is passed by the Rajya Sabha. Even they are giving the some suggestion. Lok Sabha can check or Lok Sabha can ignore also. So Lok Sabha is having the full power over the money bill. Okay. Now, it is given motion of no confidence. We discussed 3-4 times in the chapter. Motion of the no confidence. So this no confidence motion will take place only in Lok Sabha because we have to dissolve only in Lok Sabha. Class 8 only you have read. If the motion of no confidence pass against of any minister, in that condition, the entire ministry has to resign. So this will take place only in Lok Sabha, not in Rajya Sabha. Okay, this is the exclusive power. It is given relationship between the two houses differences. Differences, ordinary bill also the Lok Sabha is powerful. It is the equal right of both, but Lok Sabha is powerful. Money bill, complete power of the Lok Sabha. Control over the executive maximum. We can see the motions are related with the Lok Sabha, especially no confident motion. And then it is given clearly in the fourth line, Council of Ministers is responsible only to the Lok Sabha, not to the Rajya Sabha. Then election of the president and vice president. In this condition also, the Lok Sabha members, they are in the greater numerical strength. So normally the opinion of the Lok Sabha that will be suggested for. Then impeachment, both are having the equal right, any place the bill can initiate. And then emergency provision, Rajya Sabha, they are taking the more responsibility if Lok Sabha is not there. So in all the conditions, maximum chances the place is given to the Lok Sabha, but some special condition Rajya Sabha is also powerful. So we required both houses in our parliament. Lok Sabha, the House of Commons, and Rajya Sabha is related with the Council of States. So their members are also here. In the beginning, I said that for the composition of the Lok Sabha, so 552, that is the numerical strength is given here. Now division, that is given 530 and then 20 members. That division is given there. Maybe in your book something changed. But the two members of Anglo-Indian community, now they do not have the place at present in the parliament. They will be not nominated by the president. They have to come through the election. Do you understand? Miss, 70 years before, when the constitution was framed, that time it is suggested. Afterward, the people, they can take the decision regarding this reservation. This is a kind of reservation. That is, the two members will be nominated for the Lok Sabha. Now these two members, it is said according to that amendment, they will be not nominated by the president. They have to come through the election. Number will be the same. So in such way, at present situation is there. But in Rajya Sabha, still 12 members will be nominated by the president. So in such way, you are having the chapter. It is your responsibility to complete the work. I said to write according to your syllabus, your copy work. Because Ananya Rai sit in the proper manner, can be. See, here it is given about the chapter. So according to the chapter on the first page, you can check there it is given about your syllabus. According to your syllabus, you can write the thing and then write into notes. Do not write too much. Please do not write too much. I am not suggesting for question answer because many question answer still it is printed in exercise and it is not part of our present syllabus. Many things are given for your knowledge itself. So gain the knowledge, that is another thing, but you should focus with your syllabus, children. Focus with your syllabus. So go through with your syllabus and according to that you prepare your note. Like if you want, I can give the questions also. Number 1, meaning of the federal setup in India. Then first it is given. The heading you can write with the reference of Lok Sabha. With reference to the Lok Sabha, answer the following or write about the following. Number 1, term, composition, qualification for membership, parliamentary qualification for membership. Then second, you can take the heading with reference to parliamentary procedure, answer the following. Sessions, quorum, question are adjournment and no confident motion. Then speaker of, with reference to speaker, election and some important function. Then with reference to Rajya Sabha, composition, qualification for membership, election, term, presiding officers. The next heading you can take with reference to power and function of Union Parliament, legislative, financial, judicial, electoral, it is given here. And then about the control over executive. Then write about special powers of the both houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. In such way, you can prepare your notes. Or if you have started writing, if you have written the note as it is, you can. Okay. What you have not done, for them I have given the guideline, because I know some of you during the class time you have started your work. See, in the chapter it is given chapter at a glance. Many things are given here, some are not applicable with your syllabus or the chapters. So please be careful. Better for you, take your syllabus and read it from the chapter. Don't go for the shortcut, because maybe sometime, many times students are studying the things which is not applicable for the answers. That will be confusion and extra burden for you all. Better for you to check and then go through it. Now we are having a chapter for your introduction. It is related the president and then about the vice president. President and vice president. Chapter 1 of history, chapter 1 of civics is over. Start the preparation, because you know next month only you will have your first term, you can say, and there you have to prepare well, because this time all the answers means all the thing, whatever mark you will get, that is important for the purpose of board. Many of you are without your videos. Come with your videos, children. Come with your videos. Now, the president and the vice president. The chapter is related with the union executive. Union executive. And in this series, you will read in the 2 chapters. This is the chapter about the president and vice president. Next chapter, you will have about the prime minister and the council of ministers. Many things already you have read in class 9. Something you have read in 10th also, the same way. If you are
yes, sorry to interrupt ma'am. Hello, sorry to interrupt, ma'am. Yes. It is observing that many of them are not attending class by sharing their video. So I put them mark absent. Those who are not sharing their video, they will be absent for this class. Mansi Pandey. And many of you are not Many of you have just share your screen, not your video. Okay. So class, it is mandatory for you all to attend class to share your video so that we can see you that you are watching or not. If teacher are teaching you, that do it regularly and do it sincerely. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Sorry to disturb you.
Sir, please
Yes.
check the chat column also.
Yes,
Check.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Many of them are not attending, so they will get absent today for this class.
Dance is there and another one is writing. Please check.
Yeah, yeah. I'm seeing.
Please close them. Thank you, sir. Now, those who are not coming with the videos, maybe you will be marked absent. So please solve your problem before you enter in the class about your camera, about the rest of the thing. Now, Saurabh Singh is not coming with the videos. Sachidanand, here it is given about the next chapter. Say, sir.
Class, do your class. Do not to interrupt the ma'am. Let her teach. Okay. If you having any problem, you just make me call or you just send me a direct message. Okay. Do not interrupt. Do not disturb the class.
Now here we will start with the chapter, the president and the vice president. In this chapter, you will read about our executive. Execute. Means you read about the government briefing. The first you read about the legislature, those who are making the law. Executive, those who are implementing the law. And finally, you read about the judiciary, those who will check justify the law. So first of all, you read about the Union Parliament, the legislatures, those who are making the law for the country. But another important work will come with the executive. In the series of the executive, you will read about the president. Means when our country become free, that time we decided we will have the elected head for our nation instead of the any crown king or any other things, which was working in Britain because we had the copy that the British Parliament. But now in India, we decided we will have our elected. So this person is known as the president. So normally from that time period, Dr. Rajendra Prasad till today, Mr. Ram Nath Kovind, that is our series of the president. Among them, also we are having one of the lady president for our country. So in this, they are having a lot of power. Our president of India is having a lot of power. But another important point, the president will use all this power with the help of Prime Minister and a Council of Ministers. So that's why he is the executive head of our country. But he has to exercise all his power on the advice of the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. So he is not a real executive. So sometimes short question is there. Who is the constitutional head of our country? You can write also. Who is known as the constitutional head or constitutional executive of our country? Your answer will be president. Then word is also written why. Why president is a constitutional head of the nation or constitutional executive of the nation. So the reason the president is having a lot of power, the president is having the power, but all his power he will use on the advice or suggestion of the Prime Minister and the Council of Minister. Normally, Council of Minister, they will advise to the Prime Minister. They are not directly advising to the President. So, Prime Minister, he or she will advise to President to use all the power. Here, in the first paragraph and second paragraph, it is written here. It is given here, the executive power of the Indian Union is vested in the President. He exercises this power either directly or through all officers of the Union who are his subordinates. It is given here according to the Constitution. Head of the state, Supreme Commander of the Defense Forces of India. That is our President. Supreme Commander of Defense Forces. On the occasion of 26 January, you have seen that all the wings of the army, whatever they are, they will come and they will have the salute to the flag and the big parade will be. Even the tableau will be presented there, not on the occasion of the 15th August. Why it is happening? Because he is the head of the state and the supreme commander of the defense forces. This is the very important reason. And here it is given. President, you can underline. The president exercises his power on the advice of the Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. It is given here. That's why he is not a real head of the nation. Who will be the real head? Another question is there. Who is the real executive of the country? What will be your answer? Prime Minister, because he is having the independent power. Okay. Regarding the chapter 1, if you are having any queries or the question, you can ask me just now. Those who are having any doubt regarding the chapter number 1, read carefully chapter number 1, because many points are there which you will get connected with the rest of the chapter. That's why always chapter number 1 will take time for your learning. So if you are having any doubt or the question related with the chapter, you can ask to me. No one is having with chapter number 1. Okay. That is good. Read your chapter next time. If you are having, you can come. Next time, if you are having, you can come, so we can continue with the chapter number 2. Here it is given. Okay. Say.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Miss, I want to ask you a question regarding the president. Miss, is it true that someone has been sentenced to death, but if he requests to the president, so he can be forgiven?
Yes, it is one power of the president. It is the judicial power of the president, but not in all the cases. President will also verify all the matters. Then only president can pardon the person. The president will convert that death sentence into the lifetime imprisonment. This is the power of the president in some of the cases, not all. That will be the will of the president regarding with the case.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Say, Mansi.
Yes, when the members of the both the houses meet, then in which house they sit?
Just once again you say, there is the central
Miss,
hall,
when the
joint sitting, there is the central hall of the parliament. Normally, soon after the election, that time, first time they will be called. Soon after the fresh election of the Lok Sabha, they are called. That time, President is giving the address first time in the parliament. Normally, you will read here address of the president also. You will read under the one power of president address to the house. So earlier, president used to come whenever the opening session used to start. But nowadays, custom has been changed. So the president, basically we can see after the fresh election, president is coming and giving address to both houses of parliament. Soon after the first, you can say election, when that time, first time the persons will come. Afterwards, nowadays they are sending the address that is addressing to the particular house. Say,
Good morning, ma'am.
morning.
Miss, I have a doubt regarding the note. Miss, we have to write question and answers or notes.
See, notes you have
Which
to
is
write.
compulsory.
Actually, already some of the students, they have written with the notes in some section. So you should not keep any type of the doubt. I have given like this way, reference way. You can write if you have not started writing your chapter.
Miss, Miss, in the first chapter, I have written the question answers.
Okay, for civics.
No, Miss, the first chapter of history.
Okay, you have written.
Yes,
But-
Miss.
Okay, but question answer you have written that my suggestion, all your syllabus should come there
Okay.
with your question answer, not unnecessary thing. That is simply wasting of your time. There will be no use. So you should
Okay, miss.
focus what is your syllabus. That's why I suggested that according to your syllabus, you can write down the note there. During the teaching time, you have seen some of the questions you got. You can also convert in your notes point also. So
Okay, miss.
every day you can take 5-10 minutes reading, your particular subject will be prepared. Okay, now say the page. Say the page. The page where you are. Read your question, no matter.
Miss, good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Miss, as you know that the chairman of the Raj Sabha is the vice president. Miss, who is the deputy chairman of Raj Sabha?
Miss, they are in the Rajya Sabha. Suppose vice president will win the election, he or she is knowing that they will become the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, and deputy chairman they will have vice chairman. They will select through the voting by the member of the Rajya Sabha among themselves.
Miss, two more questions is there.
Select their vice president among them, vice chairman among themselves through the voting. Okay.
Miss,
so-
one more. Miss, how does the parliament symbolize that the people of India make laws for themselves?
No, they are symbolized for the, because any law that will come in the form of bill. Two types of bill is there, money bill and non-money bill. Money bill is complete power of the Lok Sabha. And in the Lok Sabha and in the Rajya Sabha, all the seats are distributed according to the proportion of the population of the state. So members are there. All the state members are there, even all the caste, religion, sect, every member is presented in the house. So they will contest their vote whenever any decision will be taken. In the majority support only, any things will become the law. Suppose if the question of the non-money bill. Non-money bill is there. First, the ruling party will present the bill. Then copies will be distributed among the member. This is the first stage of bill. Then second stage, all the member will gather in the house and then they will speak about their opinion with suggestions. Okay, then they will collect. If more suggestions are there, controversy situation is there, they will select a committee to suggest there or check all the points. Third time, they can associate some of the points if they feel or realize which is not focused by the ruling party. Okay, in that condition, they can take it. Otherwise, they will have the same bill in the modified way or another way, or same bill they can present, and then there will be voting and discussion. In the matter of Jammu and Kashmir, they were also in the house. Some people, they were not agreed. They opposed about this Jammu and Kashmir when they said that 370 will be not act here. But finally, the bill is passed. Why? Government is having the majority support. So that's why it is true. Whenever a person, a group will come with the majority support, they will have the power. They will take important decisions. But it doesn't mean they will act as a dictatorship. So in the house, there were the discussion, debate, and final voting. And on the basis of voting, the law came forward. This is the way for any bill. Then it will go to the president for signature. You will read in the chapter under the power of the president, assent to the bill. So we will discuss.
One more question is there.
Okay, say.
Miss, the parliament has three parts, that the Lok Sabha, Raj Sabha and the president. So the Lok Sabha and the members of Lok Sabha and the Raj Sabha both are called the MPs. Miss, so if we get a chance to become an MP, then why will become the MP of Lok Sabha or why will become the MP of Raj Sabha? Miss, how? Give reason.
MP of Lok Sabha selected.
This will be better.
Chosen by the people. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, in the beginning I said it is upper house, it is lower house. One house is selected, direct election, people are casting the vote, that is Lok Sabha. And there only the Council of Ministry is running through the Lok Sabha. Minister can be from the Rajya Sabha, but power is in Lok Sabha. No confident motion and strength money bill, all are the important power of the Lok Sabha. And in the Rajya Sabha, they are elected through the states. So it is known as the Council of State and nominated also. This is the main difference.
Overall, which is the MP has more power, Lok Sabha MP or Raj Sabha MP?
Normally,
Overall.
that maximum power enjoyed by the Lok Sabha, but some extraordinary power is given to the Rajya Sabha also. That is the 6-year term. No confident motion will not take place. Even they will work even during the time of the national emergency. So in the parliament, because we are having the parliamentary form of government. Okay, now.
Okay, miss.
Okay, Ayush, say fast your question. Say Ayush.
Miss, I wanted to know that, Miss, till which chapter we have to prepare the notes and submit the copy?
Which? Chapter 1 of history, chapter 1 of civics. Chapter 1 of history and chapter 1 of civics.
Thank you, Miss.
Afterwards, next chapters you will be taught, then you can do. Natik,
Good morning, Miss.
good morning.
Miss, I wanted to ask that members of Rajya Sabha are known as MP and members of Rajya Sabha are known as MLA and members of
Not MLA. MLA is member of Legislative Assembly. So those who are at present in UP, they are known as the MLA, members of Legislative Assembly. We are having two houses. And one group is also there. They are the members, MLC, member of Legislative Council. So maximum, in the maximum state of the country, we are having the Legislative Assembly. So state government will come Legislative Assembly.
Okay, Miss.
Don't get confusion. MP and MLA, two different. MP, member of Parliament. MLA, member of Legislative Assembly. And Legislative Assembly is having the level of state. Okay. Now finally, Ashi, the last one. Say.
Miss, what is the total portion for history?
Hmm?
Total portion for first semester.
Total
Portion for first semester.
portion, how much we will learn? At least you should remember 2 chapter of history, two chapter of civics. More than also can be there. Just now I can't finalize anything, but 4 chapter, 2 from history, 2 from civic, or maybe 3 from history and 2 from civics, or like that we can move. So just now I can't say anything, but whatever is taught, prepare that. Okay. Now we can end our session, and next time we will meet with the chapter number 2 of the civics. It is not a very difficult chapter. You have read also many parts in class 8. So please read it carefully and complete your work. Okay.